Welcome to today's tutorial on escape sequences in C programming. Escape sequences are special characters used to represent non-printable or difficult-to-type characters within strings. Escape sequences are combinations of a backslash followed by a character. They allow us to include characters that are not easily typable or represent special characters within strings. Let's explore some frequently used escape sequences in C. \n represents a newline character. \t represents a tab character. \ represents a double quote within a string. \\, represents a backslash character. Escape sequences can be used within double-quoted strings to insert special characters. For example, printf, hello \n world, prints hello, followed by a new line, and then world. Printf, this is a \tab, prints, this is a tab with tab spacing. Printf, he said, \hello, prints the double quote within the string. Printf, path, C, \/ folder, \/ file, prints a file path with backslashes. Apart from the common sequences, C also supports additional escape sequences, such as \r represents a carriage return. \b represents a backspace. \v represents a vertical tab. \0 represents the null character. Escape sequences are used to represent control characters, allowing manipulation of text formatting or device control in C programming. Escape sequences are widely used in functions like printf and scanf to format output and handle user input, providing flexibility and control over the displayed content. Understanding escape sequences is crucial for manipulating strings and controlling text output in C programming. They enable the inclusion of special characters, enhancing the functionality and presentation of your programs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!